Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a new account in Mobile Legends game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you download the Mobile Legend game right on your mobile device. Once you have it, launch it open. And this will be the main interface for your game. You'll need to first sign up for a new account. In this page, you can create your character you'd like to play using. In the first text box, you can go ahead and randomize a name that will be perfect for you, or you can also go ahead and type in your name manually and select your country. On the next field, go ahead and pick a country or region that you want to fight for. Once you make your selection, tap OK in the pop-up. On the next field, you'll need to go ahead and select your gender. Now, tap OK. Now, follow the prompts till the end to complete the tutorial for the game first. Once you complete your tutorial, you'll get to this page from where you can see your profile avatar and other options displayed on the screen. You can basically start your game right by tapping on the classic mode for now, and the account that you will be currently using will be your guest account. If you'd like to sign up and create a new account, tap on your profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see the account tab from the left-hand side menu. Tap on it to open up account settings. If you want to create a new account and start up with the game, then you can easily do this by selecting the Moonton account option. You can also sign up using your email, and you can use any other third-party accounts like Game Center, Facebook account, VK account, or with your Apple ID. You can also go ahead and log in and access to your account by tapping on the TikTok account option. Since we have not signed up yet, let's go and tap on one of the options, either Moonton account or email. If you already have a Moonton account, go for a tap to connect right next to Moonton account at the top. If you'd like to sign up using email, tap on the email option. Now, start off with your registration. Go ahead and type in a valid email address you'd like to use for your account. Now, create a password on the next field. Make sure that your password is at least 6 or more characters long, which must be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. After you type in the password on the next field, retype in the new password that you just created. Finally, tap on the submit button at the bottom. After you are done, a verification email will be sent to you via your email inbox. Tap on check email. Now, open up the email that you received from Moonton. Click on activate now inside your inbox, and your account now will be created. Get back to your game application, and there you'll be able to create a new account. On Mobile Legends Bang Bang, you can see that you've been signed in with your email account that you just registered with inside the account settings tab. That is how you can easily create a new account in Mobile Legends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.